Hey guys, this is Keegan Clark, aka KC, aka Aggressive Poncho, and today I'm going to teach you how to download and install Vocaloid voicebanks, or more specifically, voicebanks that belong to an older version of the Vocaloid editor. So that way, if you're like me and own the latest version, Vocaloid 5, you'll be better able to navigate the process. In this tutorial, I'll be getting two Vocaloid voicebanks from the website 0G, Diana for Vocaloid 4, and Ivana for Vocaloid 3. First step is to obviously go through with the purchase. Once you're done, that's when you should receive an email. In my case, the email didn't show up in my traditional inbox, so if you don't see it there, don't panic. It might just be in another category. Once you've found your email, you'll be given means to download the files for it as well as the serial code required to activate it. Above all else, you want to make sure that you don't lose the serial code, because it's essentially the proof of your purchase. So I recommend writing it down or saving it somewhere in your notes. Otherwise, if something happens and you have to reactivate your voicebanks, you would have to buy them all over again, and that would suck. With that out of the way, the next step would be to follow whatever the email is telling you to do when it comes to downloading your voicebank. In my case, I'm going to be using an application called Conduct to accomplish this. If you're also using Conduct, then you'll want to paste in your code into it so that it knows what it's downloading. Once your voicebank is downloaded, you'll want to open its contents and find the executable file and run it. And that was when I got hung up, because instead of activating your voicebank using Vocaloid Authorizer, you're going to have to use an older activator. Thankfully, this can be done pretty easily, since the Vocaloid you install typically also comes with the appropriate activation software. Once you open the activator associated with your voicebank's version, you just paste in the code. And then once it's done, open the Vocaloid editor. There you will find the Vocaloid voicebank you have downloaded, installed, and activated. And that about does it for this tutorial. I know that when I tried to troubleshoot and find tutorials for how to accomplish these things, I was sadly met with next to nothing. So I sincerely hope this helped. And as always, if you liked my video, please consider liking and subscribing. I'm an independent musician who makes lots of music, including Vocaloid music. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video.
Thanks for watching.